Tomorrow, May 4th, will mark 43 years since the National Guard opened fire on Kent State University students protesting the expanding war in Southeast Asia. 4 people died. Several others were wounded. As News Channel 5's Kristen Byrne reports, this is a special guest coming to Kent State to help commemorate May 4th.
Walk into Taylor Hall on Kent State's campus, and history is chronicled in the May 4th Visitor Center, a place where pictures and videos take you back in time to that tragic day in 1970, when 1,500 university demonstrators gathered in the Commons. The National Guard used tear gas to disperse the crowd, then fired shots at the students, killing 4, injuring others.
It's very emotional. I guess I wasn't really fully prepared for how overwhelmed people would feel experiencing this story.
This year, Oscar-winning director Oliver Stone is helping dedicate the center.
We wanted to bring somebody that we felt was really a kindred spirit.
And Stone served in the U.S. Army in Vietnam. In fact, he received a Bronze Star for valor. The social movements of the 60s and 70s are reflected in some of his films, like in his movie Nixon. And this campus community has found its own way of keeping the past close, so we can learn from the mistakes.
We're telling a kind of untold history because people haven't had the story available to them before.
Kristen Byrne, News Channel 5.